that we have in Australia. It's nice because when the weather's hot, you can have a nice Pavlova fruit salad with it, and it's really yummy. So this dessert is from Australia. My recipe says 6 eggs, but you can do 4. So I'll leave you to those 2. So we have to separate the yolk from the white, right? So you juggle it over one bowl. Yeah, and so you can even, I do usually use an egg separator. So you've got to try and not get any yolk in with the white. So you tip all your egg yolks, egg whites in the bowl. Okay, now we're going to turn it on. All on. Yes, all on. So we're going to heat it up a little bit. So you basically do this for about 10 minutes. It'll go wide. And so what you have is you have about a cup and a half, 1 cup and a half of sugar. So it's too runny. So you want it to, when it stands up, it doesn't, see how they went over that way? You want them to stand it up. Just give it a Now, when I cook my cake, I always leave generous stuff on the bottom. Because there's always someone in your house that always comes with it. So when you do a single one, like a little one, you just get a spoonful, like a big spoonful, and you dab it there, and you shape it like a cake as well. So we're going to just twirl it around a little bit. So remember, we only use 4 eggs. Now you put your oven on 190, and then I think my recipe says it a little different. It says to put it up higher. So what I normally do, I do 190 for 10 minutes, and then I put it down to 150 for about 40 minutes. You want it to have a fancy design, yeah? So it gives that whisk shape. And then you can just push it down in the middle. Gives you a bit of a hollow bit in the middle so you can put your cream on. So we're just going to put it on. I've put the oven on already. So it's on 190. In the oven, I want you to see this. See, oh, right now we have to see how it looks. So now what we want to do is we want to turn it down to 150 in the oven. So it's best to do this dessert the night before. So you can just switch it off and then go to bed. And you leave it in there until it goes cold. So once it's cooked, it sort of goes hard as it's cooling down, but as soon as you take it out of the oven, it will just go crazy. So you just cook it and you... Now, this hollow bit in the middle, don't worry about that because they all go hollow and they sink. But that's okay because we have cream and fruits and everything's full of chocolate. Okay. Milk also. Liquid form milk. Actually, these are powder form. Oh, I just find this is the one that we...
Yeah, this is the best one.
Yes. So because the Pavlova is a bit bigger and we want lots and lots of cream, so I use 2 of these. So you put them in the fridge first.
Okay.
Like overnight, so they're cold, so you can whip it up. Now you can then add, some people add sugar to their cream, but I think what you'll find it will be too much because you have a lot of sugar in Pavlova. Put the cream on top of the Pavlova. Okay. You want it? He can have a bit of banana too, if he wants. So you're gonna pour the cream in the little hollow bit. So you have a lot. It can still be a little bit thicker if you want it to be big. And so this is good too to make up, like if you're having people over for dinner, you can make this up with the fruit on top before they come. So you're not doing this as they come, you know. So you can put all your fruits, because once it goes cold, the meringue and all that goes cold, it's really yummy. So I like a little bit of red bits.